Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Summer always seems to pass by way too quickly, and I'm always looking for fun ways to sit back, relax, and enjoy the summer while it's here. Well, this pool float from iPlay, iLearn has helped me to do just that. Not only is this a comfortable and durable pool float, but it's also a great place to lay out and get some sun. It comes in blue or green, and the colors are fun and bright. It was very easy and quick to inflate. I had no trouble getting it out of the box and inflating it in my garage. It comes with an easy to attach and inflatable pillow that stays in place very nicely. It also has 2 cup holders on either side of the mat and a handle to hook up to others, and it has a nice big area for you to lounge out and catch those beautiful summer rays. This float also comes with a water feature to keep you nice and cool while you sunbathe. I personally loved this feature. It was very easy to connect to my hose, and then you can choose whether you want to just sprinkle your feet to keep you a little cool, or you can have a higher intensity. And I thought this would be a really fun feature for younger kids to play in it. So if you're ready to soak up every bit of summer before it's gone, then I highly recommend this amazing pool float from iPlay, iLearn. And that's my point of view.